This video reached you, not randomly. There's a reason. You want to make the greatest comeback of your life, right? Worry not. I got you. We'll go over the 9 steps on how to make the greatest comeback of your life. Step 1. Reinventing yourself, the art of continuous improvement. To make the greatest comeback, you must go beyond mere self-improvement. You must engage in a process of reinvention. This involves a holistic transformation of every aspect of your life, a commitment to becoming the 2.0 version of yourself. A powerful starting point for this transformation is the establishment of a robust routine. While it may sound cliché, the impact of a well-designed routine cannot be overstated. By waking up early and tackling the most challenging tasks first, you set a precedent for success. This routine becomes the scaffolding upon which your reinvented self is built. Reinvention also extends to your physical and mental well-being. Consider incorporating physical workouts into your routine to improve your physique. Beyond the aesthetic benefits, regular exercise has a profound impact on mental clarity and emotional resilience. As you engage in this physical transformation, you'll find that the discipline required for consistent workout spills over into other areas of your life. Additionally, fuel your mind with knowledge. Read books, listen to informational podcasts, and upgrade your skills. The process of reinvention is not static. It requires a continuous commitment to learning and adapting. By reinventing yourself in these multifaceted ways, you set the stage for a comprehensive and enduring comeback. Step 2. Embracing confidence, the path to fearless living. Confidence is the cornerstone of a successful comeback. While it's essential to compete against yourself and strive for personal excellence, it's equally crucial to exude confidence in your abilities. Confidence is not arrogance but a quiet assurance in your capacity to navigate challenges and achieve your goals. Cultivate confidence through positive affirmations and visualization. Affirmations are powerful tools to rewire your subconscious mind, instilling a positive and confident mindset. Visualize your success, vividly imagining the achievement of your goals. This mental rehearsal enhances your belief in your capabilities and prepares you for the challenges ahead. Step 3. Embracing ghost mode, cultivating inner strength in silence. Ghost mode, a term borrowed from the world of stealth, takes on a profound meaning in personal development. It involves a deliberate retreat from the noise and distractions of everyday life, allowing yourself to operate in silence and solitude. In the context of your comeback journey, this signifies a period of deep introspection and focused self-improvement. During ghost mode, you're not merely avoiding social interactions or becoming antisocial. Rather, you're strategically stepping back to assess your goals, strengths, and weaknesses. Just like a ninja in the shadows, you become an observer of your own life, gaining insights that are often drowned out by the constant chatter of the external world. The power of ghost mode lies in its ability to confront your inner demons, face your fears, and transform your darkest moments into sources of strength. It's a commitment to self-discovery and personal growth without the interference of external opinions. As you navigate through this silent phase, remember that strength is often found in the stillness within. Step 4. Disciplined living. How you do anything is how you do everything. Discipline is the backbone of any successful comeback. As you embark on this transformative journey, remember the mantra, how you do anything is how you do everything. This principle underscores the importance of consistency and follow-through in every task you undertake. If you commit to completing 8 reps during a workout, push yourself to finish all 8. This disciplined approach extends beyond the gym. It permeates every aspect of your life. By mastering discipline in small tasks, you lay the groundwork for success in larger endeavors. Discipline is not about perfection but about persistence. Acknowledge that mistakes will happen and setbacks are inevitable. The key is to stay committed to the process, learn from failures, and continue moving forward. This unwavering discipline becomes the guiding force in your comeback, steering you toward sustained growth. Brother, congratulations for reaching this far. You're one step closer in becoming the person you're destined to be. Do hit the like and subscribe buttons for me, brother. Great. Let's move on to Step 5. Conquering procrastination. Productivity hacks for personal mastery. Procrastination is a common adversary on the path to personal mastery. Recognizing and overcoming this challenge is pivotal in making your comeback. Consider adopting productivity hacks derived from successful individuals who have mastered the art of time management. One effective strategy is intermittent fasting, not just for physical health but also for mental clarity. By delaying your first meal, you tap into a heightened state of alertness and focus. Combine this with avoiding carbohydrates until the evening, and you'll experience sustained energy levels throughout the day. This disciplined approach to nutrition contributes to your overall productivity. Eliminate sources of cheap dopamine, the quick but fleeting pleasures that often derail productivity. Instead, derive satisfaction from challenging tasks, such as intense workouts or accomplishing significant goals. By redirecting your focus toward fulfilling activities, you rewire your brain to seek satisfaction from meaningful achievements. Step 6. Learn a new skill, the power of skill acquisition for personal growth. In the pursuit of self-improvement, consider the transformative power of acquiring new skills. Whether it's running a business online or any skill aligned with your goals, commit to the learning process. The emphasis is on skill development and its impact on personal and professional growth. Step 7. Transforming negativity into fuel, the alchemy of personal growth. In your comeback journey, negativity can be a potent fuel for transformation. Identify the sources of negativity, whether they are past traumas, setbacks, or doubts from others. Rather than letting these elements weigh you down, use them as catalysts for growth. Productive vengeance, as mentioned earlier, involves turning negativity into a driving force for success. Whether it's proving doubters wrong, overcoming past failures, or defying societal expectations, leverage these sources of negativity to propel yourself forward. This transformational alchemy reshapes adversity into a powerful fuel that propels your comeback to new heights. Step 8. Compete against yourself, a blueprint for personal excellence. Competing against yourself is not just a motivational mantra, it's a strategic approach to personal excellence. Start by envisioning the ideal version of yourself, the person you aspire to become. List down the qualities and habits that define this future self, creating a blueprint for personal excellence. Display this list prominently as a constant reminder of your goals and values. Use it as a compass to navigate through life's challenges and choices. By aligning your actions with the traits of your ideal self, you gradually mold your character and behavior to match your aspirations. The process of competing against yourself is not about comparison with others, it's a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Embrace the growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities to learn and evolve. By consistently striving to become the best version of yourself, you pave the way for a continuous and sustainable comeback. Step 9. Seizing opportunities, the comeback in action. The culmination of your comeback journey is marked by seizing opportunities. As you implement the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide, be vigilant for opportunities that align with your goals. Whether it's a career opportunity, a chance for personal growth, or a moment to showcase your newfound skills, be ready to pounce on these openings. Seizing opportunities requires a proactive mindset. Instead of waiting for opportunities to come to you, create them. Network with like-minded individuals, share your story, and demonstrate the value you bring. By actively seeking and capitalizing on opportunities, You solidify the foundation of your comeback and propel yourself into a future of continued success. Remember, brother, making the greatest comeback is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It's a personalized and multifaceted process. By embracing the Sasuke mindset, entering ghost mode, establishing powerful routines, and competing against yourself, you lay the groundwork for a transformative comeback. Reinvent yourself, adopt productivity hacks, live with discipline, and transform negativity into fuel to amplify your growth. As you navigate this roadmap to your greatest comeback, keep in mind that each step is interconnected, forming a comprehensive guide for personal and professional growth. Your comeback is not just about bouncing back, it's about bouncing forward, reaching new heights, and becoming the person you were destined to be. Embrace the process, celebrate the victories, and let your comeback story inspire others on their journeys to greatness. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and most importantly, stay true to the vision of the best version of yourself. And don't forget to join our 1% Men community, brother, by clicking the like and subscribe button. You can do this.